name is Just a Fun Guy. This is Just a Fun Guy Coins. I have an unboxing for you today. I don't think I've done many unboxings on my channel, but this is the first true unboxing I am going to be doing. And what am I going to be unboxing today? Take a look at the back. It's got the U.S. Treasury seal. Look on the front of it. It is the United States Mint Proof set from the year 1999. And why that particular year? I was born that July. That was the year I was born. And you open it up and dump the contents out of it. What is the first thing you see? This thing. Certificate of Authenticity for 1999 United States Mint Proof set. On the back of it, it has all the coins, and it has all the coins through denominations. Designed by Reverse, that was designed by. Composition, standard weight, standard diameter, and edge. It has all those specifications for each and every coin that is in these two cases here. I open it up, and it has a letter. It says, United States Mint certified that this proof set of coinage is produced and packaged by the United States Mint, San Francisco, California. Each coin bears the S mint mark of that facility. United States proof coins are produced from carefully selected planchets, or coin blanks, that have been burnished to a high luster. These polished blanks, which are carefully handled to minimize scratches and abrasions, are struck on specially adapted coin presses. Each coin is struck at least twice to bring forth the most minute detail with remarkable clarity. The 50-state quarters program is authorized by Public Law 105-124. These coins are created to honor each of the 50 states in the order which they entered the Union. Their designs depict history, geography, and rich diversity of our national heritage. And then it's signed by Philip Deal, the Director of the United States Mint. Since I just talked about the state quarters, this is the front of the state quarters. Let's see. All the state quarters bear the S mint mark because they were minted in San Francisco, which from my house is about 3,000 miles. Here is the back of them. The first 5 states to be honored: Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Georgia, and Connecticut. And I did a video on coins and how they're minted and specialized mints, and these are struck at least twice. That's what the letter said. And these coins look like they haven't been touched a day in their lives. These coins look like they've had an easy life behind plastic. Let's just put it that way. Looks like they were struck and then put in here. You have the penny, the nickel, the dime, and the $50, all bearing that S mint mark. And the back here looks just as nice. Look it up. And they're all branded with the Treasury seal because it's all legit and they want to make it so. Let's see if I can put this back in without destroying the box. This is the very first mint proof set I've ever bought. I don't know if I'm going to buy any more of them, but I'm loving looking at the 1999 Mint Proof set. So with that being said, I may buy another one. I could buy one from the year 2000, and I could buy from 99 back. So I guess we'll have to see. Until next time, I'm just a fun guy, and I'm signing off. So long.